Working in sections while cleaning upholstery prevents cleaner from drying unevenly and ensures thorough soil and residue removal. Start by dividing the piece into manageable zones about the size of a 2-seat cushion so you can focus cleaning energy and timing. Use a measured spray pattern and apply cleaning solution lightly to one zone at a time, then agitate with a soft brush or microfiber pad in small circular motions to lift dirt without saturating the fabric. Immediately follow agitation by blotting with a clean microfiber towel or using a portable extractor to remove loosened soils and excess moisture, which stops residue from redepositing as you move on. Keep a damp towel rinse step on hand to wipe away stubborn cleaner traces and finish each zone until the towel shows minimal discoloration. Rotate your work so you never let a treated area sit more than a couple of minutes before extraction or wiping. This prevents tide lines and hard watermarks. Work from top to bottom and from the least soiled to the most soiled areas when practical to avoid carrying grime into cleaner sections. 3 common mistakes are treating the whole sofa at once, overwetting, and inconsistent drying control. And each has a simple fix. When people spray an entire piece, they risk uneven drying and rings, so concentrate on one zone and finish extraction before moving on. Overwetting causes fiber damage and long dry times, so dial back solution volume and use short, repeated passes with extraction to manage moisture. Ignoring drying airflow and temperature leads to mildew or odors, so dry each finished section with portable fans or open windows and check that cushions and crevices dry fully before reassembling or covering. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and tools that match their project needs, and we also help contractors find work by listing projects and local leads. We host a discussion community where we, our users, and professionals exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences about cleaning upholstery and many other home projects.